Hey guys! Welcome to another vlog by Chinny. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I did my Giyuu Tomioka makeup. Firstly, I'm going to apply my face primer. I use this primer from LA Girl and I simply love it. It does a great job in sealing my pores and filling in my fine lines. And now I'm ready to apply some foundation. And I'm using LA Girl's Pro Matte Foundation. Honestly, this is one of my favorite foundations because it keeps my face oil-free all day and it has this matte finish, so it's really effective when I'm cosplaying in conventions. Well, gotta use products that keeps my face from caking. And right now I'm just applying my foundation on my face evenly. Whoops, I'm not done yet. Need to apply some foundation on my neck as well. Gotta make it look even with my face. Then I apply compact powder in areas that usually get oily easily. And in my case, it's everywhere on my face and neck. I'm not really good at doing my eyebrows, and concealing them is still a work in progress for me. I know, it's quite disappointing. Though I am open for suggestions on how to best do them for cosplay, so if you have any, you can drop them in the comments below, and that will be very helpful. Oh my god, my eyebrows doesn't even look like Giyuu's. But I'm just gonna add some concealer and I hope I can improve it a bit. Honestly, it just looks like how I usually do my eyebrows. But to be fair, this is actually my first time doing male makeup and doing a male cosplay. So it's quite of a challenge for me. Then let's move on to contouring. So first I'm going to do my nose. I'm trying to make a nose shape that looks good for male cosplay. And I hope I can get this one right. I just use a dark brown eyeshadow to contour my nose. And I'm going to contour my cheeks next. I'm just sucking my cheeks in so I'll know where to contour. Well, do I look like a guy now? Or not quite yet? Time to add some depth on my eyes. Maybe I'll look like a guy after this. Well, enjoy the next few minutes watching me do my eyes. And let me know what you think. Well, I guess I'm done. Whoops, not really. Forgot to do my lips. And here is what I look like as Giyuu Tomioka. Well, what do you think, guys? Do let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, justchinnythings. I hope to see you all soon in my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching!